In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to recover deleted email in Outlook. Whether you deleted a message by accident or cleaned up a bit too aggressively, there are a few reliable places to check before giving up. First, start with the Deleted Items folder. When you delete an email in Outlook, it usually moves here instead of disappearing immediately. In the left-hand folder list, click Deleted Items to open it. Scroll through, or use the search box to filter by sender, subject, or keywords. Sorting by date or from can speed things up. When you find the email, restore it by right-clicking, choosing Move to, and selecting your inbox or another folder. You can also drag and drop it directly into the folder. This works similarly in Outlook on the web or desktop app, though buttons may look slightly different. If it's not in Deleted Items, there's another option. While in Deleted Items, click Recover Items deleted from this folder at the top. A window will open showing items that were removed but are still recoverable for a limited time. Browse or search, select the emails you want, and click Restore. Outlook will return them to their original folders, often back to Deleted Items, so you can then move them to your inbox or preferred folder. Keep in mind that recoverable items don't last forever. Availability depends on your account's retention settings. If the message still can't be found, it may have been permanently deleted or purged from the recoverable items area. Check backups if available. Outlook data files or exports can be restored to locate missing emails. For work or school accounts, IT may have server-side backups and can guide you on recovery options and retention limits. To prevent future issues, act quickly when you notice a missing email, avoid emptying deleted items until confirmed, and consider keeping a safe folder for messages you might revisit later.